Sixth standard students, let us start from page number 234. Using expressions practically. We have already come across practical situations in which expressions are useful. Let us remember some of them. Situation described in ordinary language. Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. Variable. Let Amina have X marbles. Amina. And 10 more than Sarita has. So Sarita has X plus 10 marbles. Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. Let Raju's age be X years. Then Balu's age will be 3 years younger. So we will subtract 3 from X. Bikash is twice as old as Raju. Let Raju's age be X years. Then Bikash 2X years, just double, twice. Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Suppose Raju's age be X years. Then 3 times Raju's age, 3X. And 2 years more, that means 3X plus 2 years. So Raju's father's age is 3X plus 2 years. Let us look at some other such situations. Situation described in ordinary language. Variable statements using expressions. How old will Susan be 5 years from now? Let X be Susan's present age in years. Then after 5 years, X plus 5 years. So after 5 years, Susan's age will be X plus 5. How old was Susan 4 years ago? Let X be Susan's present age. Then 4 years ago, X minus 4 year. Price of wheat per kg in rupees 5 less than price of rice per kg. Price of wheat per kg is rupees 5 less. Let price of rice per kg be P. 5 rupees less, that means P minus 5. So price of wheat per kg is rupees P minus 5. Price of oil per liter is 5 times the price of rice per kg. So let price of rice per kg is rupees P. Then 5 times, that means 5P. So price of oil per liter is 5P. The speed of a bus is 10 km per hour more than the speed of a truck going on the same road. Okay. So let the speed of the truck be X km per hour, Y km per hour, any variable you can choose. Now the speed of bus is 10 km per hour more. So more for more addition sign. So the speed of bus is Y plus 10 km per hour. Try to find more such situations. You will realize that there are many statements in ordinary language which you will be able to change the statements using expressions with variables. In the next section, we shall see how we use these statements using expressions for our purpose. So in this exercise, we will see how we can change mathematical statements into expressions, and conditions. We will solve the problems or practical problems, daily life practical problems. Now let us start exercise 11.4. Answer the following. Take Sarita's present age to be Y years. What will be her age 5 years from now? That means after 5 years. So you will write, let the Sarita's age be Y years. Then after 5 years, the Sarita's age will be Y plus 5. In the bracket you will write and in years. What was her age 3 years back? Before 3 years, Y minus 3 years. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? 6Y. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandfather's age? Grandmother's age. 2 years younger than grandfather. Grandfather's age is 6Y and grandmother is 2 years younger. So 6Y minus 2. And in the bracket always you will write in the years. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? So first you will write given the Sarita's present age, or you will write let the Sarita's present age to be y years, then Sarita's father's age will be 3y plus 5. In the bracket you will write in the years. Clear? Question number B. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. That means whatever breadth is there, 3 times of breadth, that means 3 into breadth and 4 meters less, that means minus 4. What is the length if the breadth is b meters? So you will write first let the length of rectangular hall, breadth is rectangular hall BEB, and then write b meters. Then the length of rectangular hall will be 3b minus 4 in the meter. A rectangular box has height 8 centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of the height. That means rectangular box, that means cuboidal shape. Because box is having height, that means it is 3-dimensional object. First is given. Let the rectangular box has height x centimeter. Then the length of rectangular box will be 5 times the height, that means 5h in centimeter. And the breadth will be 10 centimeter less than the length. So 5h minus 10 in the bracket you will write in centimeters. Okay. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead, that means aage, and Leena 7 steps behind. So for ahead plus, for behind minus. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached, and Meena is at step S. Okay, express the total number of steps using S. So first you will write given the Meena is 8, step number S. Okay. Then Beena will be the step number S plus 8, and Leena will be S minus 7. Okay. Now the total number of steps. Then you will write in the next line. Now the total number of steps will be 4s, because 4 times what Meena has reached. So 4s, because Meena is at step number S. So 4s minus 10. Clear? A bus travels at v km/h. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has travelled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 km away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? Express it using V. So you will write a given a bus travels at v kilometer per hour, then distance traveled by bus after 5 hours will be 5v kilometer. Okay. Then total distance between Daspur to Bispur 5v plus 20, because this distance after 5 years only distance is left 20 kilometer. So 5v plus 20 kilometer. Clear? Question number 2. Change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. For example, given Salim scores R runs in a cricket match, Naveen scores R plus 15 runs. In ordinary language, Naveen scores 15 runs more than Salim. Same way, a notebook costs rupees P, a book costs rupees 3p. So, a book cost is 3 times more than the notebook cost. Tommy puts Q marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in his box. So, Tommy is having 8 times more than marbles in his box. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. So, the school has 20 times more than our class has number of students. Jaggu is Z years old, his uncle is 4Z years old, and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. So Jaggu's uncle is 4 times old than Jaggu's age, and her grandmother is 3 years younger than his uncle. His aunt is 3 years younger than his uncle. In an arrangement of dots, there are R rows. Each row contains 5 dots. So, the number of dots 5 times more than the. So, in arrangement, total number of dots are 5R. Given Manu's age to be X years, can you guess what X minus 2 may show? Think of Manu's younger brother. So, Manu's younger brother's age is 2 years less than the Manu's age. Given Sarah's age today to be Y years, can you guess what X plus 4? Elder brother's age. Munnu's elder brother's age is 4 years more than the Munnu's age. Munnu's father's age is 7 years more than the 3 times of Munnu's age. Given Sarah's age today to be Y years, think of her age in the future or in the past. What will be the following expression indicate? So, after 7 years, Sarah's age will be this. And before 3 years, Sarah's age was this. After 4.5 years, Sarah's age will be this. Before 2 years, Sarah's age was this. Given n students in the class like football, what may 2n show? What may n by 2 show? And think of games other than football. Okay. So, in the cricket match, number of students are double than the football. And in the hockey match, number of students just half of the game football. Okay, in this way you will complete 11.4.